Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ali Imran, and here I am presenting my individual alternative assessment. My It is a JPS filing system. My group is group 2, and my metric number is 820MJ4003. There is a table of content here. We can see project overview and problem statement that in phase 1, in phase 2 has a physical DFD to be system, and in phase 3 and 4 there have child diagram, process specification model chosen from the physical DFD to be system. And in 4 to 6 there have, for in page number 4 to 6 there have interface design of the chosen model, and in number 7 there have conclusion and YouTube link for this presentation video. In project overview in project overview the in the project overview, here we can see, here I just explain why need to update update the website, because the rise of the internet and the world wide web is recent year has given the impression that the world is seeing in the birth of an entirely new technology. After the decades of the 1990s, the internet is now available to the general purpose across the world. So the key thing is the most of the companies, they use their old interface, so need to update in a new interface. The This is the project overview. Uh, after that we also After that, here we can see the problem statement. So in problem statement, we can see the current look of the website is not visually appealing or user friendly. The standard of written content is not particularly high. Security and certification difficulties are also a concern. Security is one of the most frequently disagreed components of any website. This is the security issue actually. And after that, after that also after that we can see, uh, for starters, keep our website security measures up to date. Furthermore, data registration and display are not proper, so we also need to update the registered data, and several processes must be completed. The recorded data is difficult to find, as it is not feasible to look up a specific data. Normal employees are unable to delete and update recorded data, so we just update it. So this is the problem statement. And after this after here the most important thing is the website is available to office personnel. Okay, so after this, here is the proposed solution: physical DFD to be system. Here a staff person document to be saved in the system, and in 3.1 we can see send to be processing system. After that, the documents goes in system. System creates type, insert date and other are into about documents. After that, view, and we can enter the data, and from here we can update, also can enter new data and can update. After this, it adding in file, and storing in document file. After that, it displayed from the document file. Okay, this one actually written here, this explanation. A staff person open website to store some data. A staff person can adding files etc. At last displaying that data and files into the website by fetching from the documents file in database. After that, here is the module chosen from the physical DFD2B system, and here I then updating data and adding files into the system by the staff person is in the module chosen from the physical DFD2B system. After that, this is a child diagram. Staff and staff data update documents file and at last displaying data from the documents file. This is also explanation of this child DFD. uh, and after that there has process specification. The staff person first goes to the website and log in. There have this process specification explained in detail. The data of staff members is provided to the system in order to grant him or her authorization to offer access to the system. After that, he or she can update data and enter new data into the database system. In system file that hold documents file in database, the data is then retrieved from the database and displayed on the website. So at last we can see interface design of the chosen module. So here is the graphical interface design, and this is the home page of the website. To store data of a person, there is sign box, so we can see which need to fill with respective username and password for login to enter the website. On the left corner we see files but cannot get it access of it without login. After that we can see file share, delete and upload option. Here we can share file, also can delete file by clicking these boxes, and also can upload file. For upload file we have two option. One is drag and drop option, another is select option. In drag and drop option we can drag file and just drop, and in select option we can enter in the folder of the respective device. After uploading file will be processed, that will displayed. And at the footer section, here have about us a newsletter and also copyright statement. So this is a small reflection from my side, and this is the project been completed by a group of 4 people. We are working on the home page, the service page, the contact phase and the about us phase. So actually main things is how we work for this project, and how we designing, and the special things is I designed this one in photo.io website, because I study a lot, and I see that this website is very easy to use. So by this way I learned many new concept, and by theory and practical of this project. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.